Alright, today I'm going to explain the math behind the mulch calculators. If you want to know the actual math behind what you punch into those mulch calculators online, this is it. If you just want to punch it in, by all means, go find a mulch calculator. Alright, stay tuned. Now, in order to get the measurements for your formulas that are coming up here, I suggest maybe getting a measuring wheel or measuring tape, whatever works best for you, whatever you have on hand, kind of go from there. And then from there you can plug those numbers into the formulas that are going to be coming up in just a minute up on the screen here for you, and we can go from there. All right, very good. Alright, another thing to take in consideration is how much plant cover you have in your gardens, as you're not going to be covering bushes, etc. with your mulch, obviously. So if you have, say, half of your bed space or 50% is covered by plants, then you're going to need 50% less than what you calculated. Hope this makes sense. So take that into consideration. Otherwise, you'll be left with mulch in your truck, mulch in your trailer, or mulch on the driveway. All right, so that's it. Not too hard. You got this. You can do these formulas. This is very, very simple math. No problem. You can handle this. So hopefully everybody enjoyed this. This was very informative to you. Hopefully you enjoyed my try at the didgeridoo there for some music. Learning how to play the didgeridoo. So, I don't know. Getting better every day. All right, keep practicing and have fun, y'all. Take her easy.